Namaskar, hello and a very warm welcome to CIET NCERT's live phone-in interactive program. I'm Tanvi Khurana and the topic that we are taking for this particular program is going to be demonstration of simulation on India's natural vegetation. Yes, virtual labs. We are all aware of the virtual labs and how they have helped in the students' learning processes. So today we are going to understand, we are going to develop the skill, and you will be learning how the simulations happens on the digital versions. So all the students who are studying in class 9th and for this particular topic you are studying with us, and this is the social science topic, and if you are interested, you have any questions, any queries, please feel free to raise your queries. At this moment you're watching us on PM eVidya channel number 9 and also on our YouTube channel, that is NCERT official. In the live chat box you can raise your questions, you can write down your questions. Till 10:30 we have an expert along with us and he'll be more than happy to answer all your doubts. If you have queries, you can even call us on our number, that is 8800440559. And for the email ID, let me tell you, it's dth.class9@ciet.nic.in. Now let me please introduce you to our expert for today. We have with us Dr. Shashi Ranjan. Sir, a very warm welcome. Sir is an academic consultant from Central Institute of Educational Technology, that is CIET, NCERT, New Delhi. So without further ado, let me just begin this conversation and let me just ask him the very basic understanding of natural vegetation. So sir, please let us know what exactly do we mean by natural vegetation, and also how is natural vegetation different from cultivated crops? Along with this, I also want to know what are endemic, indigenous and exotic species. Could you please give us a few examples of these two?
Yes, definitely. Natural vegetation refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid and has been left undisturbed by humans for a long time. This is termed as a virgin vegetation. The virgin vegetation which are purely Indian are known as endemic vegetation or indigenous species. But those which have come from outside the India are known as exotic plants, and sal tree is the example of indigenous species, or you can say that endemic species, and eucalyptus tree is the example of exotic plants.
Okay.
Now remember, every vegetation is not a natural vegetation. There are crops and fruits which are grown and cultivated by human beings. So they are also they are also the part of the vegetation, but not natural vegetation.
Okay, all right. So by going further, I would like to ask you, what do we understand by flora and fauna, and also why is India called a mega biodiversity?
The term flora used to denote plants of a particular region or a period, and the fauna is referred as the species of the animals. Our country, India, is one of the 12 mega biodiversities countries of the world. Okay. Mega diversity means having a large variety of plant and animals species within a country or region. With about 47,000 plant species, India occupies 10th place in the world and 4th in Asia in the plant diversity. There are about 15,000 flowers in India,
okay,
which account for 6% in the world's total number of the flowering plants.
Wow, this is great information. And what are the factors, if we would like to get deeper into it, what are the factors responsible for a diversity, and also what are the factors that affect the growth of the natural vegetation?
There are certain factors that are responsible for such a diversity.
Okay.
We will divide the factors into two broad categories. First one is relief and second one is climate. Under relief, we have land and soil. Land has direct and indirect effect on natural vegetation. You will not find same type of plant everywhere. For example, mountain and plateau region will have different kinds of trees. If land is fertile, we know that it is suitable for agriculture. Whereas soil, different types of soil provide basis for different types of plants or different types of vegetation. Even soil varies from place to place. We have 6 to 7 types of soil: alluvial soil, red soil, black soil, laterite soil, arid soil. But ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, divide into 8 parts, and 8th one is saline and alkaline soil.
Okay.
Hence, different types of soil will produce different kinds of plants. The sandy soils of the desert support cactus and thorny bushes, while wet and marshy soils support mangroves and deltaic types of plants.
Okay. All right. So there are so many types of soils, and this is amazing that our country is called a mega biodiversity. Okay. So how can
and also under climate we have 3 types: temperature, photoperiod, and precipitation. Temperature, the character and extent of vegetation are mainly determined by the temperature along with humidity in air, precipitation, and soil. Thus, temperature plays an important role in the growth of plants and trees. As we go away from the equator, temperature decreases and the type of vegetation cover also changes near the equator. You will find forest, evergreen forest trees which are such as rosewood, mahogany, ebony are found. But if you go to the Himalaya region, you will find coniferous forest such as pine, junipers are found in these types of forest.
Okay. Okay, great.
When we are talking about the photoperiod, the variation in duration of sunlight at different places is due to difference in latitude, altitude, season, and duration of the day. Due to longer duration of sunlight, trees grows faster in summer. Precipitation in India, almost entire rainfall is brought in advancing southwest monsoon and retreating northeast monsoon. Areas of heavy rainfall, more dense vegetation as compared to areas of less rainfall.
Okay. All right. So, if we are talking from the students' point of view, I would like to ask you, where can students access the virtual labs for learning about India's natural vegetation and also their types? What steps are needed to register and log into Diksha's virtual lab? Would you like to elaborate this?
Okay. Let us understand India's natural vegetation better with the help of our virtual labs. To access the virtual lab, we have to go to any browser and type is diksha.gov.in and enter. Then when you will type diksha.gov.in, you will land on this kind of page.
Okay.
This is a digital platform. Basically, this is an online platform where students can access the virtual lab. When you scroll down a bit, you can see the focus areas of Diksha. And in the focus area, there is a tab for the virtual lab. We can click on the 4th tab. Then here virtual lab is one of our focus areas.
Okay.
This requires one-time sign-up process. We can click on explore and we can student can understand about virtual labs, and students can read details about the virtual labs. Here students can go through the virtual lab, all is about. We have these virtual labs in English as well as in Hindi medium. Student can choose any class depend upon their requirement. When they click on the explore button, they will get 2 types of medium, that is Hindi and English. As our today's experiment is regarding the India's natural vegetation of class 9th English medium, so I will click on the English medium. When you click on the medium, and we can see the different subjects aligned with the NCERT textbook. According to their requirements, students can click on the experiment. Now we are going to perform simulation of India's natural vegetation, which is aligned with the class 9th social science. And then this type of interface will be open. Now this simulation is divided into five and right side of this tab you can see India's natural vegetation, then click on learning resources, then click on simulation India's natural vegetation.
Do you want to start the simulation? Just click on the start button.
Yes. Here is a menu and you can click on, first you have to go to the theory part, and you can read about the India's natural vegetation. Here to describe different types of natural vegetation in India, and a student can go through about the theory which is related to the India's natural vegetation, and a student can understand about the natural vegetation of India. And here types of vegetation: tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, mountain forest, tropical thorn forest, mangrove forest, and also the descriptions of the given. And students can understand about the types of vegetations, and then students can go to the procedure parts, and in this section students can perform the simulations. Every steps will be given in this part, in these sections. Students can go through and perform simulations. And here animation part, students can here is a video clip, and the student can go through this video and can understand, student can understand about the simulation, how to perform simulation about India's natural vegetation. And here we can perform the simulation. Now we are going to perform the simulation. Here instructions are given. What are we going to learn? Learn about the natural vegetation of India. First determine number of natural vegetation types in India. Then identify the types of natural vegetation. On the wrong selection, use hint to identify the remaining types of vegetation. Drag the names of the natural vegetation types to the marked regions on the map of India. Thus learn about the natural vegetation and its distribution in the country. Then click on the OK button. Here left side instructions are given. How many types of natural vegetation are found in India? Select the appropriate options to identify the count of natural vegetation in India, and then click on submit. Here the question is, how many natural vegetation types are there in India? So there are 5 types of natural vegetation in India. Here we can click and then submit button. Here right side we can see that feedback. Correct, there are 5 types of natural vegetation in India. Then we can click on next button. Here in left side we can see that instructions are given. Identify 5 types of vegetation in India. Click on the respective checkbox. Click on submit to verify. Here tropical evergreen forest is one of the vegetation. Tropical deciduous forest is one of the vegetation. Mountain forest, tropical thorn forest, and mangrove forest. Then submit, click on the submit button. Here feedback is given, 5 out of 5 vegetation type is correct. And then we can click on next button. Here instructions are given: identify the location of the vegetation in India, icon the region of the different vegetation, color on map indicates the different types of vegetation, and drag and drop the names of the vegetation into their corresponding regions on the map. You can toggle the Indian political map. Here tropical evergreen forest, we can drag and drop here. Tropical evergreen forest, drag and drop. We can perform the simulation. Tropical evergreen forest, the word tropical means tropical region and evergreen means green leaves throughout the year. It altogether, tropical evergreen forest are that forest which are green throughout the year and they exist in the tropical region in India. The forests are restricted to heavy rainfall areas, the Western Ghats and the island groups of Andaman and Nicobar, upper parts of the Assam and Tamil Nadu coast, with a mean annual temperature of 22 degrees Celsius and annual rainfall of over 200 centimeters. If you look at the forest structure of a tropical evergreen forest, at the ground level you will find shrubs and creepers plants. After that you will find short trees of around 20 to 30 meters high, and then comes the tall trees which goes about 60 meters high or above. Some of the commercial important trees are forest are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber and cinchona. And the elephants, monkey, lemur and deer are found in these areas. Bats, sloth, scorpions, snails are found in these forests. And tropical deciduous forest, drag and drop. Here tropical deciduous forest, these are the most widespread forest of India. They are also called the monsoon forest and spread over the region receiving rainfall between 200 centimeter to 70 centimeters. Trees of this forest type shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in dry summer. On the basis of availability of the water, these forests are further divided into two categories. First one is moist deciduous and second one is dry deciduous forest. Moist deciduous forests are found in areas receiving rainfall between 100 centimeter to 200 centimeters. These forests exist mostly eastern part of the country, northeastern states, along the foothills of the Himalayas, Jharkhand, West Odisha, Chhattisgarh and the eastern slope of the Western Ghats. And teak is the most dominant species of the forest. Bamboos, sal, shisham, sandalwood, khair, kusum, arjun, mulberry are the other commercial important species are found in these forests. Dry deciduous forest, dry deciduous forest are found in area having rainfall between 70 centimeter to 100 centimeters. These forests are found in rainier parts of the peninsular plateau and the plains of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. There are teak, sal, peepal and neem grow. In this forest, common animals found are lion, tiger, pig, deer and elephant. And birds, lizards, snakes and tortoise are also found in here. Hence tropical thorn forest, drag and drop. Tropical thorn forest, drag and drop. Tropical thorn forest in this region with less than 70 centimeter of rainfall, the natural vegetation consists of thorny trees and bushes. This type of vegetation is found in the northwestern part of the country, including semi-arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Acacias, palm and cacti are the main plant species of this forest. In this forest, common animals are found: rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger. Here mountain forest, drag and drop. Students can perform drag and drop activity. Students can drag and drop the mountain forest. And students can drag and drop mangrove forest. A student can also show the Indian political map. Click on this, and the student can learn and understand about the where the trees found, and then after that student can click on the submit button. Then student can start the restart, and again student can start and perform the simulations, and student understand about the India's natural vegetation.
Okay.
We can click on the Viva voice, and student can assess yourself on self. Here instruction for quiz. Read all instructions given below. The quiz will start after clicking on the OK button along with timer. To select an option as answer to given question, click on it. You will get 2 attempts to select the correct options to the questions. You may ask skip the question if you want. The score and timing are displayed on the top of the screen throughout the quiz. You will get 1+1 for each correct answer. There is no negative marking. The scorecard will be generated at the end of the quiz. You can click OK. And then first question is, which type of forest is found in areas receiving rainfall between 200 centimeter to 70 centimeter? Here tropical, the answer is tropical evergreen forest. We can click and then submit button. You can see the explanation. These forests shed their leaves in the dry season to conserve the water. Here hints is given. Students can again perform and click the tropical deciduous forest, then submit button, and you can see the correct answer.
Okay.
And you can click on next button. Which type of forest is found in areas receiving rainfall less than 70 centimeter? Tropical deciduous forest. You can go to, if students can wrong answer, then students can go through the theory parts and study about, and then after that students can go through the Viva voice portions.
Okay.
And the answer is the thorn forest and scrubs. Students can click here and submit button. You can click next button. Which type of trees are found in the mangrove forest? So Sundri, then submit. You can click on the next button. The tropical evergreen forest are not found in. The answer is Gujarat. You can click here and submit button. And you can click on the next button. Next question is, which of the following trees grow in some parts of the Ganga Brahmaputra delta? Kevra and agar is the answer, right answer. You can click here and the submit.
Sir, I just want to ask you, what if someone clicks on the wrong answer? Would you like to show us?
Yes, sure. The next question is, which type of tropical deciduous forest is found in area receiving rainfall about 100 to 70 centimeter? I clicked the wrong answer,
Okay.
mountain forest. Then you can see, here is the explanation
Okay.
and hints given. These forests are found in regions receiving moderate to low rainfall about 100 to 70 centimeters. Then students can select the right answer, dry deciduous is the right answer and click on the submit button.
Okay.
Now you can click on the next button. Which type of vegetation is found only in the northwestern part of the India? Tropical deciduous forest. You can see explanation is given. These forests are found only in the northeastern part of the India, especially in Rajasthan, Gujarat and parts of the Punjab, Haryana, where rainfall is very low, below 70 centimeter, and the climate is dry. Here hints is given, and student can understand about these answer and then click on the answer button.
Sure.
And submit, hence correct answers. Which type of forest are found in mountainous areas? The mountain forest is the right answer. And next question is, what types of forest are found in rainfall areas of the Western Ghat? You can click on tropical evergreen forest and then submit. And then next, and the question is, which type of forest are most widespread forest of India? The tropical deciduous forest are most widespread forest of India. You can click it and then you can submit. And here is the right answer and you can finish. Do you want to exit and view the scoreboard? Yes. You can see the scoreboard 10 out of 10. Wrong answers, partial attempts, unattempted, time taken, how many times taken students to solve these Viva voice.
Okay.
You can see this. 4 minutes 17 seconds.
But the total time they get is 30 minutes.
No, it depends on the students and their pace.
Okay, all right. There is no limitation of the time.
No limitations of the time.
That's wonderful. Okay, so thank you so much for demonstrating the entire simulation process on Diksha website, and I'm sure the students are going to do this on their own at their homes and they'll be enjoying throughout. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us today. It was a wonderful conversation. Thank you so much to all our viewers as well. I really hope that you enjoyed this social science program, and we saw that how virtual labs work. You can do the quiz on the Diksha's virtual lab website, and there are a lot of subjects, a lot of quizzes, a lot of topics available there which you can explore on your own while sitting at your homes. So with this we are closing this particular program, but you can come here tomorrow again at sharp 10 o'clock. Another topic will be there. The topic is going to be simulation on tense conversion for English students of class 8th. So do watch that program, and more simulations for English will be there. You'll be learning a lot more. So do watch it, and this is the virtual lab series going on, and today is the second day of the same. So with this we are wrapping up this particular program, but just want to tell you that a lot of programs are scheduled for the day. Just have a glimpse on that on your screens. The next program that you will be watching will begin at 11, from 11 to 11:30 on the channel number 14, Foundational Numeracy under Ullas. From 12 to 12:30, there will be an English class. The topic is going to be the frog for all the students who are studying in class 5th, and this will be our special students program. From 2 to 2:30, an Urdu class will be there, जिसका उन्वान होगा Captain Hanifuddin. 2:30 to 3 o'clock, Hindi students can watch this program. The topic is going to be Sundariya Bhag 1. From 3 to 3:30, a science class will be there. The topic is going to be Nature's Treasures Part 1, followed by another program from 3:30 to 4 o'clock, and that is going to be a maths class. The topic will be Prime Time Part 1. From 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock, another series will be there, and the topic is going to be Media एवं सूचना साक्षरता कौशल एवं दक्षताएं. From 5 to 5:30, our Sayog series will be there for all the students who are studying in class 6 to class 12. The topic is going to be developing adaptive skills for independent living. With that, thank you so much once again. Please keep on watching our programs. They are all for you. If in case you have missed it, you can watch it again on NCERT Official. That is our YouTube channel, and you can even raise your queries. And also, if you want to buy the textbooks of class 4 and class 7, they are available on Amazon and Flipkart, apart from our website, that is NCERT Official. So do buy these textbooks if you need them. Thank you so much once again. Have a great day ahead. I'm Tanvi Khurana and I'll take a leave of you. Namaskar.